Okay student, next topic is URL. To visit your friend place, you need to know his address. Similarly, to visit any website, you need to know its address. Each website is identified by its unique address, which is known as Uniform Resource Locator. This is the full form of URL, Uniform Resource Locator. For example, www.cartoonnetwork.com and www.discoverychannel.com. These two examples of URL. For Cartoon Network, URL is www.cartoonnetwork.com, and for Discovery Channel, www.discoverychannel.com are the URLs of Cartoon Network and Discovery Channel. Next topic is ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. These are the companies who provide services for the internet. It offers you to use internet. It provides software, username and password to the user in order to connect to the internet. Okay, now we will complete chapter 7 and 8 in our next class. Now I will give you homework. Open page number 9. Okay children, you can see now this is your homework. Page number 9. Exercise A, fill in the blanks. You have to make one computer copy, classwork homework, same. Okay. First exercise, fill in the blanks. A network is a collection of two or more computers connected to one another so as to share. Answer is information. Right, information. We have to share. We can share information. Second word, www stands for, yes, World Wide Web. Answer is World Wide Web. Third is a web dash is a collection of web pages. Collection of web pages is website. Number 4, dash and dash are the two most popular web browsers, Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. Number 5 is the first page of any website is known as home page. Okay, you have to do this exercise in your book also and copy also. This is a 1 to 5 fill-ups. Now 6 to 10 I will give you from a point and glance. Okay, on the page number 9, top of the page you can see point and glance. Open this. Okay children, 5 we have done. Now 6 number you have to write. Internet, it stands for International Network of Computers. Okay, we can get information on any topic using internet. This is the 6th number fill up, and you have to underline International Network. Next, fill up number 7. Information available on the internet in the form of digital pages, which are called the web pages, and you have to underline web pages. This is the fill up number 7. Next, you have to cross because we have already done. Next, fill up number 8 is web browser is a special program that allows the user to access information on the web, and you have to underline web browser. And next, you have to cross. Now next 9 number is each website is identified by its unique address known as URL, Uniform Resource Locator. You have to underline URL, Uniform Resource Locator. This is the fill up number 9. Now number 10 is an ISP, Internet Service Provider, is a company which offers you to use internet in exchange of monthly fee. This is the fill up number 10, and you have to underline ISP, Internet Service Provider. Okay, now we have done 10 fill-ups, 1 to 5 from your book exercise A and 6 to 10 from point and glance. Okay children, now second question you have to do multiple choice question. Page number 10 in your book, exercise C. You also have to do this in your copy. After fill up, question number 2 is multiple choice question. Dash is one of the most popular search engines and has been founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. What is? The answer is, think about Yahoo, Google, Bing. Yes, Google. Dash is regarded as the founder of the World Wide Web, WWW, Tim Berners-Lee. And third is, Dash is a special program to open websites. Web browser. You have to take web browser. You have to write question and options also in your copy. Okay, I will send you pictures of these two exercises also. If you don't have book, you can do from the picture. Okay, and in our next class we will do page number 7 and 8 and the question answers of the lesson. Now this is done our today's class. Thank you.